Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox a tablet from Techlife Pad Neo. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product. This is the Techlife Pad Neo. So I got this one actually. It's for my kid, and if you want a present for your child, then this one is also good for them, especially for their homework or if they want to play games. So at the back, so it has a seamless LTE connectivity, 1 terabyte expandability. It's a 10.1 high definition display, Unisoc T612 processor, supports LTE and Volt LTE, and it has 8 gigabytes of massive RAM and 6000 milliamp battery. So without further ado, let's open this one, you guys. Okay, so actually my kid is very happy to have this one. So let's unbox this one here. Let's set this one aside first. And in the box, so we have here the Techlife manual. Okay, and what else? It has the charger. This is the charger, and the USB to Type-C cable. Okay, this one. What else? Okay, no more. So let's set this one aside, and let's take this one out. Ta-da! So it has already like a screen protector. Okay, so it's 10-inch. Okay, and at the back, so you have here the nice camera. It's AI camera. So let's try to turn it on. Okay, Techlife Android device. Alright guys, so we have already set this one up, and as far as I observe with this one, this is really good if you just want, casual gaming, and also when you want to just watch movies. This one is not bad considering the price is very affordable. So guys, if you want something for a present for your kid or for your loved one, then this TechPad Neo is also a good choice. So guys, let me know about your thoughts about this Techlife Pad Neo. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you guys in our next video. And guys, you can actually tap in our YouTube link for you to check this one out. That's all, and I'll see you guys in our next video.